Hi guys, we've gotten the roof ready for the shingle delivery, and here are the shingles. They are brought to us from Kamloops, from the Home Hardware Building Center, and the machine is unfolding the hook, and we're going to take the shingles up to the roof. So my dad is waiting for the shingles on the roof, and he's gonna unload the first batch by hand. So we've unloaded the first set of shingles. This is the ridge vent. We also had it delivered with the shingles, and it's gonna go on the roof after. Here's the second package of shingles, and this one we're just gonna lower it onto the roof. These shingles right here, we're just gonna put them over here in front because after we're gonna use them for the garage. And this batch right here, it's the last one. We're gonna unload some of the shingles to save them for the garage, and then the rest of the ones that are left on the pallet are going to be taken up to the roof. These ones are being taken up onto the roof, and there's a butterfly that landed on my mom. So I'll zoom in. It's a very small butterfly, and this is the last pack of shingles that we ordered. So my dad's gonna take it off the pallet, and that would be all of the shingles that we ordered. So the guy's gonna pack up, and that's all of the shingles that got delivered, and we are ready to put the shingles onto the roof. My dad is tying himself with a rope because he is going to be working close to the edge of the roof, and we don't want him to fall, and the edge is slippery because of the rocks. First, we put on the starter strip of shingles, and it goes under the first row. Putting the shingles on the roof is not as easy as it looks. You have to measure stuff and cut the sides so everything is straight. We go slowly so that everything looks nice and so that the nails don't get rusty later on. And we've gotten one side of the roof done. This is what it looks like. The shingles are different shades of gray. And if we walk this way on the roof, you can see here are some of the shingles we used, and here are the scraps. And my dad has started on another side of the roof, so he's already gotten a lot of this side done with shingles. And there's a really nice view from the roof. You can see the mountains and the lake, and it's very pretty. And now my dad is going to get back to work. There was a squirrel running around the yard, probably checking how the roof was going. And my dad has started another side of the roof. He finished the side that he was working on before. So over here, this side, my dad finished putting shingles on it and started another side. So my dad has finished putting shingles on all 4 sides of the roof. This is how the roof looks like, and the shingles are a light shade of gray. On the roof, we also got a different kind of shingles delivered. Instead of just putting it on a side of the roof, it is used to connect 2 sides to each other so that water couldn't leak in through the connection where 2 sides meet each other. That covers up the crack in between 2 of them. My dad measures the distance between them, and then he nails them into place. My dad also made holes in the roof for the radon pipe, the roof vent, and the sewer vent. And here they are circled in red. Those are the 3. And right now my dad is finishing connecting all of the sides with small pieces of shingles. My dad has finished connecting all of the sides of the roof, and now there's only one thing left to do. You can see the light coming in through the hole in the roof, and right here you can see that we have rolled out the ridge vent. It goes on over top that hole that you just saw in the roof, and it is like a vent so that air from the inside and the outside can flow around the roof and keep both sides of the roof the same temperature so it doesn't mold. Here's the ridge vent that we used. It got delivered to us with the shingles. Here's the hole that the air comes in, and then it comes out through those small holes. This is what it looks like, and we've got most of it rolled out. Right here under the ridge vent, you can see the hole that the air will flow through. And then my dad will glue the ridge vent to the roof, and after it's glued on, he will cover it with more of the small shingles, and the roof would be done. So thank you for watching this video to the end. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye!